Hi, lovelies. Happy Self-Care Sunday. I know it looks like an hour style video, but it's really not. What I'm doing right now is trying on all my old clothes and get them out of my closet, trying to see if I want to donate them or not because I have a fashion overhaul coming for you soon. So that being said, I got to get rid of a lot of stuff. There's a frog in my throat. Sorry about that. There's a lot of stuff that I have to get rid of, and yeah, all of it is right here. So anything that I'm thinking about I want to keep, I'm going to try these on, but I'm not going to try it on with you guys here. So this is the first thing that I did try on, and I'm definitely going to keep it because I like it. And yeah, it's still stylish and cute, and I like it. And I've worn it with a couple of pair of jeans, but I'd like to see too how it looks with a skirt, so I can see. Then I have to try on some more stuff. So other than that, if I'm not going to give it to family members, well, I don't really give it to my friends because some of them are not thrifters, so I don't want to, make them feel bad or whatever, or I feel bad giving it to them or whatever. But most of my stuff here, some of it I've bought and some of it I have thrifted, So it's like 50-50, but I don't want to give somebody else my clothes if they don't want them. You know what I'm saying? They're clean, of course, and everything like that. And some of them haven't even been used a lot. So yeah, if you get it, it's a lucky thing for you. But anyway, I don't give to my friends, no, because I don't have a lot of friends that thrift, But I give it to family members. They don't mind, And if they gave me stuff, I wouldn't mind either, because I thrift and I don't really care about that. I see the value in clothing is like the way you put an outfit together. I don't see the value of like, just going to buy it and it's expensive, or even if it is expensive, just make sure it looks good on you. That's the thing. It's all about the way you wear your items. And I don't know why I got the camera so messed up, but anyway, guys, that's just a short intro. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon. Okay? Okay, lovelies, coming up, I have a sleeveless yellow tank that I've worn before. The reason I wanted to keep these tops specifically was because I know I can restyle them. There's another cute top. I know I can style that again. I do have a pair of like snowboarding pants that I got from Fashion Nova that I think I'm going to put with all of these looks when I try these on for you guys. Again, because I'm going to do outfit posts for you. And yeah, I think these are like things I can wear for spring too. So I don't want to just throw them away. This top I really love. I don't wear it enough. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.